Hello and welcome to a new vlog. My name is Eva, in case you are new here, and we just arrived in Jever, our first vacation destination. And yes, before you just saw how we got here, and we did a pit stop in Leer, where we ate some ice cream and just looked around a bit. And yes, I guess now we are going to see if we can find something to eat and just look around Jever for a bit. And I thought I would give you a little room tour right now. There is the door where we come in. Then there is a wardrobe and a big wardrobe which we probably will not use, and there's a couch and a bed and windows. Plus here's a little bench where you can put your suitcase, and yes, I didn't thought that this room would be that big, but it is big. Oh yeah, and we are at the Hotel Schwarzer Adler in Jever, just in case you are interested. And here we have another door to the bathroom, which I haven't looked into. Wow, that's a big bathroom. Where's the light? Where's light? Light. The shower is big as well. But yeah, that's the bath. Nothing really spectacular. Just that it is big as well. But oh well, a big bathroom is nice, though. Now we will go out and find something to eat.
Harder days make it easier to call you. I let myself give up. Slip on solid ground so I can drown the thought of what I don't wanna think of right now. I gave in to your sense of direction.
We are back in the hotel now, or I'm back in the hotel now. My sister and my father are still at the restaurant we found, and I have to say the food there was really, really good. So if you are looking for a restaurant in Leer by any chance, you can go to this pub. It is not a real restaurant, it is more like a pub. But the food is really, really good. I had the delicious crispy chicken burger. I think that was the name. So I would recommend this burger, but my sister also had a vegetarian burger. So they have a vegetarian option as well if you are vegetarian. Yes, now I think I will just wind down and watch some YouTube, and then tomorrow we will maybe go to the beach, but you will see that tomorrow. Oh God, what's up with this lighting in here? I'm so sorry that this lighting is so bad right now, but otherwise it just would be too dark to film. But what I actually wanted to say was, because I just saw a spot about this on Instagram by Aktion Mensch, and this was places for everyone. And the topic of this spot was that places have the disability and not the people, because there are a lot of places where people with a disability can't go with on their own. I mean, they can go there when they have somebody else with them, I guess. But they can't go there on their own. But yeah, I just wanted to say something to this spot I just watched, because like you maybe know, I myself have a disability which you can't see. So if you don't know, you probably would be surprised that I have a disability. But I have a disability, and if you would like to know more about my disability, I will link the video I did about it in the cards here. It is in German, but I put English subtitles in it. But yeah, if you want to have a separate video in English again about my disability, just let me know and I will do it. The biggest thing in which my disability affects me is probably that I can't really write with my hand. So I always write everything on my laptop or computer, if a laptop or computer is available. And if they are not available, I'm a bit of screwed when I don't ask somebody to write for me, because I can't really do it myself. I mean, I can sign things on my own, that I can do, but if I should fill out something longer, my hand just cramps up and hurts. And yes. And then I have also balance problems, so I need a railing on staircases. I don't know, because otherwise I will go very, very slowly down the stairs, especially when I don't know the stairs. My stairs at home, I can walk pretty fast, at least for my standard of taking stairs. But stairs I don't know. I either need a railing or somebody to help me. Otherwise, it could take a moment for me to go down the stairs. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of my travel vlog. Oh, excuse me. I just woke up. So I will get ready now and then we will go to breakfast. And maybe I can show you how breakfast looks, but we will see.
But I'll tell it from the heart. Unravel, unfold. This doesn't fit in a mold of how it typically goes. But with you, I wanna grow. Tear my walls down. Watch them hit the ground. If this is emotion and this addictive potion, then I guess you found the way. but with you I wanna grow. Tear my walls down, watch them hit the ground. If this is emotion, endless addictive potion.
We are back at our hotel now, and today made a little road trip to Nordharlingerseel and Esens. Nordharlingerseel was where we were at the beach, even it wasn't really a beach because there wasn't sand, but oh well. And yes, in Esens I didn't really vlog much because we just ate the cake and then we went through the shopping street in Esens, and that was it. Now we are back home, and I think I will try and edit a reel for Instagram so I can upload it hopefully tonight. And tomorrow we leave for Hamburg, so I don't know if I will talk to you before we leave to Hamburg. Tonight we will go eat dinner in the restaurant which is attached to this hotel, and I don't know if I even told you where we are staying. We are staying at the Schwarzer Adler, Black Eagle I think would be the name in English. And the restaurant where we will eat tonight is called Jever. I don't know the English name for that. But yeah, we will see how good the food is there tonight. So, I just exported the GoPro footage I also need for the reel, but the export process took so long that I need to go to dinner in almost half an hour now, so I don't think I will be able to edit this reel right now. So, I guess I will try to edit it tomorrow morning or tomorrow somehow, and hopefully get it up. I will see, but I will see you at dinner right now or later. Good morning and welcome to day 3 of our vacation, and today we will be going to Hamburg. So we will leave Jever after the breakfast, and then we will go to Hamburg. So I would say I hope you liked this vlog, and if you did, please like it. And if you don't want to miss my Hamburg vlog, then please subscribe, and I will see you in Hamburg. Now we will get ready and go to breakfast, and hopefully I will be able to film the breakfast today morning, because yesterday morning I just forgot to really film it.